Assalamu alaikum dear students. So far we have discussed three measures of dispersion. Today we have to discuss the most important and widely used method of dispersion, that is standard deviation. So far as standard deviation is concerned, this was first used by Karl Pearson. Karl Pearson was a great statistician and biometrician. Sometimes standard deviation is known as रूट मीन स्क्वायर डिविएशन. इसका दूसरा नाम है रूट मीन स्क्वायर डिविएशन. रूट मीन square deviation. Now let's first try to understand what standard deviation is. This is generally denoted by a Greek letter sigma. This is sigma, and standard deviation is represented by this Greek letter. Now coming to the definition, standard deviation is the square root of the arithmetic mean of the squares of the items, squares of deviations of the items from their mean value. Once again, standard deviation is the square root of the arithmetic mean of the deviations of the items from their mean value. It is the square root of the arithmetic mean of the squares of all deviations, and deviations are taken from mean only. Standard deviation has two main features. Number one, the value of its deviation is taken from arithmetic mean. The value of its deviation is taken from its arithmetic mean, or we can say deviations are taken from mean only. और प्रीवियसली आपने देखा कि जो कोटाइल डिविएशन, जो मीन डिविएशन था, उसका सबसे बड़ा डिफेक्ट ये था कि साइंस वायर इग्नोर्ड दिया. लेकिन जो स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन है, इट ओवरकम्स द प्रॉब्लम, इट ओवरकम्स द डिफेक्ट. कैसे? बाय स्क्वायरिंग द deviations. Plus and minus signs of the deviations taken from mean are not ignored here. Signs are not ignored here. In fact, signs of the deviations become redundant once the deviations are squared. जब deviations का स्क्वायर होता है तो माइनस ऑटोमेटिकली खत्म हो जाता है और प्लस बनता है. And finally, square root of arithmetic mean of the squares of the deviations is calculated. What we calculate here? Square root of arithmetic mean of the squares of deviations. That is, first we calculate mean, or we consider as this assumed mean, then we take deviations from that mean, and finally we take the squares of the deviations. It is this square root which is called standard deviation, and this is always positive value. जो स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन होता है ये ऑलवेज पॉसिबल वैल्यू. आप देख लीजिए, फॉर एन इंडिविजुअल सीरीज you have an expression for standard deviation like this: square root of deviations taken from mean. Here x bar is arithmetic mean, x is the value or the observation. Now what is done here? First deviation is, first arithmetic mean is calculated, then deviations are taken from that mean, and then those deviations are squared, and then we take the root, that is the square root. यही इसकी definition है. It is the square root of the arithmetic mean of the squares of all deviations. Squares of all deviations. Right? This is how we define arithmetic mean. ये जो फार्मूला हमने यहाँ पे लिखा है और जो मैंने आपको डेफिनेशन दी, This is a relative measure of the dispersion of series. This is a relative measure of the dispersion of series. It is generally used whenever variation is different. Whenever variation in different series is compared. The coefficient of standard deviation is estimated by dividing the value of standard deviation by the mean deviation of the series. How is that done? We are looking for these examples and calculations ahead. But here you have to remember that your standard deviation, it is the most satisfactory scientific method of dispersion. Accordingly, it's widely used method in statistical analysis. और जो अहम बात आपने याद रखनी है, स्टैंडर्ड डिवीएशन और मीन डिवीएशन में फ़र्क क्या है? स्टैंडर्ड डिवीएशन में क्या होता है? डिवीएशंस आर ओनली टेकन फ्रॉम मीन, लेकिन मीन डिवीएशन में वी यूज टू टेक डिवीएशन फ्रॉम एनी मेजर ऑफ सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी, चाहे मीन हो, मीडियन हो, मॉड हो, लेकिन यहाँ डिवीएशंस आर टेकन ओनली फ्रॉम मीन, चाहे एक्चुअल मीन हो या assumed mean हो, but deviations are taken only from mean. And another important difference is, in case of mean deviation, the signs were ignored, but here calculation, in case of calculation of standard deviations, signs are not ignored. Instead, they are squared, and the result we get always positive. This is how we define standard deviation. To calculate standard deviation, we have different methods for calculating for the individual series, for the discrete series, and for the continuous series, and we make use of different methods. We make use of the direct method, the shortcut method, the deviation method, and the step deviation method. The glimpses of the various formulas is given here, and in the coming days we will make use of these formulae for calculating standard deviation. ठीक है ना? तो तब तक के लिए आई थिंक इट इज सफिशिएंट फॉर यू टू नो व्हाट स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन मीन्स. इंशाल्लाह आने वाले दिनों में हम ये पूरी मेथड्स फॉर ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ सीरीज कैलकुलेट करेंगे. ठीक है ना? थैंक यू वेरी मच.